Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. So to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet, first of all, you have to go ahead and copy the wallet address from your Trust Wallet account. So go ahead and log in into your Trust Wallet and paste and tap on receive. When you press on the receive button here, you need to type in USDT. So type in that, and when you actually type in USDT, you have to go ahead and press on the copy wallet button, and when you're done copying the address, you need to exit out of your Trust Wallet and log in into your Bybit account. When you're logged into your Bybit account, that's going to take you to the home page. So here, what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and tap on assets, and then you need to go ahead and click on withdraw. As you press on withdraw, you need to go to crypto, and over here you need to locate USDT. When you actually do this, next thing you have to go ahead and enter or paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied. Then you'll be asked to enter the exact amount of asset that you're transferring, confirm all of that, and with that you'll have successfully transferred USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.